Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Podio for deal dashboards in collaboration, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Podio for deal dashboards in collaboration, start by signing in to your Podio account. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace where you want to create your dashboard. Click on the Apps section in the left sidebar. Here, you will either select an existing app or create a new app for your deals. To create a new app, click on Create App and choose a suitable name and icon that reflects your deals. Set up the necessary fields for your app, such as deal name, status, amount, and any relevant dates. After defining your fields, click Save to finalize your app. Now, return to your workspace and select Dashboards from the main menu. Click that Add Dashboard button to create a new dashboard for visualizing your deals. In the dashboard settings, choose the layout that best suits your needs. Next, add widgets for visual representation of your data. Select the chart widget to visualize deal amounts over time. Drag and drop the relevant data fields into the chart widget. You can also add a list widget to showcase all ongoing deals. Configure filters within the widgets to customize what data is displayed. Once satisfied with your dashboard layout, click Save to finalize the design. Now, to enhance collaboration, invite team members to your workspace. In the workspace settings, click on Members and use the Invite button. Enter the email addresses of the team members you'd like to add. Notify them about their access rights and responsibilities within the workspace. After they accept the invitation, they will be able to view and collaborate on the deal dashboard. Encourage team members to add comments on specific deals for real-time collaboration. You can also utilize the Tasks feature to assign responsibilities related to each deal. By following these steps, you'll have a functional deal dashboard set up in Podio for improved collaboration and oversight. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.